What's up, guy? Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog. A very special, and it's a bright morning, guys. You can see, guys, how trees are waving, guys. It's a bright morning, and today I wanna give you a quick tour from my beautiful village, maybe to another, and it's the same village, but let's see. So, guys, in case you made these videos, subscribe, comment, and also share my videos to your family. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And guys, please, if you haven't subscribed today, subscribe. Lord, to 6K subscriber, I appreciate. And that being said earlier, my entire village 100% have been constructing, building. So today, guys, is today. Let's see, guys. Right now I have my friend over here.
Yes.
Hey, with a mangan.
I'm no mangan only. I'm top driver here.
Top driver.
Yeah.
This 125?
20. This 125.
CC.
Yeah.
What do you know?
Here.
I want to see.
Here.
Where?
I think he's here.
Yeah, guys, and it's a sport bike.
Yes.
Wait. 125.
Yes, 125.
Yes, 125cc.
Yeah.
Hey, this one you can use as a rough road, Muram road. You can introduce yourself.
Yes. Guys, my name is Nico Buddha, Virginia boy. A boy from Shamba. Welcome at the Hello Baby Official YouTube channel. Guys, we are here. This is our morning, and we thank God for everything. And now we wake up well for responsibility again. Like you see here, I'm carrying some property. This need to go in my site there.
For site?
Yes, this need to go inside there. Make sure, because there I have a mason by today. And that's, guys, and thank you, and I really appreciate to you guys, because you are being #1 support to us here. And guys, when you're the first day in this channel, remember to subscribe at Hello Baby Official. So road to 6,000 subscribers, and also success.
Yo. Come and say hi to my people.
Yeah, road to success.
Yes.
So guys, and also me have YouTube channel. You can check me out. Buddha.
Buddha.
Yes, Virginia boy.
With a chopper, guys.
Yeah.
Imagine, but one of these days,
Yeah.
you wait, guys.
You like this chopper?
Yes, I like this chopper.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is this is a good chopper.
For me, when I have the sport bike like this one,
Yeah.
I can go maybe from here to Kisumu looking for the content. The whole 1 week. One day. I promise you. One day.
One
you
day.
believe me, I
Yeah.
promise you. One
But
day.
this is you can go far.
Yes.
You can go far when you keep your something on your bag like this. You can travel, my friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys,
Yeah,
one
maybe.
day,
Yeah.
believe on me.
Yeah.
Today is on Sunday, October.
Yeah.
Date's 13. Believe on me. One day I will have this motorbike. Okay.
Yeah.
Ride me, or I ride you.
Whatever you want.
Okay, let me ride it for you. You can hold it for me, a camera like this.
Yeah. Well,
Don't do like that.
you are top driver.
Why can't we?
Yeah. Yeah. Let's go, my friend. Let's go.
What? Driver, man.
No, this is a sport. This is a sport. You know?
I know. It's a sport.
Yeah.
And it's soft. Chica. Oh! Hey! Oh my God! Hey!
It's hard.
No, it's soft.
Oh.
Hey. It's just like you sit on BMW Mercedes Benz.
Yes.
Wow, guys. We have a sharp corner here.
This is a corner.
Yes. That's Kovan.
That's Kovan.
Yes, guys, clutch Kovan. Show people that view. Okay. You see guys? South Kenya. Yeah, tunaenda barabara mbele tukienda. Yeah, like that. You see guys? Things are shining here. Guys, one day this chopper I will have on my hand.
Oh, baby.
Yeah, I'm promising you, one day I will have this chopper on my hand. Now you can ride me.
Hey. Let me ride you.
Guys, this is a manga new chopper. Shikilia hapa ni shuku. So, nikobuda ride me right now. Hey, hey, guys, just like a BMW, imagine. What? Look at my shoes, viewers. You can see they're like they are building, guys. Nikobuda the control. Wow. Oh guys, you can see over there. Our road. That's enough time. Mine when I was outside. Sunday vibes. Sunday guys. During weekend, Sabbath day and also Sunday day. Oh, outside guys, look. That's really anything, man. See guys. Wow, look. Clear road guys. Hey, amazing. You can see this is a nice home. Look, for the ball actually I put it. Nice and we're heading to the deep village guys. But when you have a machine like this,
Yeah.
you can pass. Guys, look at the house. You can't see a house inside. It's a bungalow. You know bungalow? Wow. Look. Yeah. That's amazing house. Yes, yeah. Cassava over there. There's cassava, guys. Oh. Guys, we are going to Colorado. Finger millet. That's right. Guys, welcome to Colorado. Aya. Inyongo ngesa kwegote kera mera. Wow. Things fall down. Okay, come.
Yeah. Welcome, my friend.
Yes, we welcome with this machine here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let
So-
me take.
Yes, first thing when you stop, you take the key.
Yeah.
You see, guys. Hey,
People is coming to work.
chapa buroko.
Yes. Not it broke. We need to building the anam there.
Anam.
Yes.
I'm a game. You know game, I'm Anam.
It's good.
Mbona unatumia kibao kidogo?
Ha?
Mbona unatumia kibao kidogo?
Hichi ni kikubwa.
Haya.
This is big. Kile
That's
cha
big.
nini kikubwa eti?
Changu nitumia kikubwa.
Kinatoa tofali ngapi?
Tofali 25. Oh guys, I'm asking Kobuda, why do you prefer to use small metal? Yeah.
25.
Na hichi kinatoa ngapi?
32.
Ndio ujenge nyumba.
Hey.
Oh. Okay.
Hey. Tio. Chobarenge kongani.
Ni ujengire gebu ifike kule juu kabisa.
He's a designer, my friend.
Only Nikobuda who have a different house.
Yeah.
You can see, guys.
These are different because a lot of people is building the hidden room. So me, I see that
You want to build Colorado house.
Colorado house. You need to put the iron sheet. Yes.
Okay,
Yeah,
the only thing remaining is iron sheet.
You know, this is different because it's have a anam here, like you see on the behind of the house. Yes.
So you want to build that one.
Building here.
Utajenga mpaka juu?
Yeah.
Mama yangu. Utakata renta?
Amna.
So yani ile ya kufungia na machuma. Simba kufungi korogi ukuta ni ndefu.
No. Toka chini hivi. Kiende kujua ainaga shida. Zingine zimeishia hapo. You know.
Okay.
So
guys, we are talking about the stuff over there. They want to build from here up to
when
there.
you still to go up, so it can be
Coming close.
yes, like this. So they got to be a small one. You not have a lot of weight.
Hey, my friend, now you create a big window. Look, guys. Hey, like a door.
Oh, this is a good window also. This is a good window for the house because like this room is have only one window here. Yes, but for this and also you got to have one window because here we go to building something here.
Which
We
one?
need to change the
Plan.
Yes, because here we need to cover here. Maybe you can have here a toilet.
Toilet.
Yes, behind your
Okay.
maybe outside toilet.
No.
You close this window and we have
One window.
can you have one?
No, you can create this place maybe during evening time. You sit here, you make your own thing. If you don't want to interfere with the people at front, you sit here. Unaweza kaa hapo unafanya mambo yako, kuna mwana anajua.
Yes, the plan is building like a porch, a small porch that
Yes.
people can relax here. Maybe myself, maybe I have a friend here to discuss. But
Yes.
I have a main place to relax, maybe there and also there. Let me show you here.
Yes.
Yes, because
So guys, for the first time I give you quick tour at Colorado site.
you know this is
A store.
so under this store, as you can say, don't have because they already put a trap.
Oh, so you put your stuff inside, material.
Yes, and already material is
Inside.
yes. That's, you know this place.
Wow guys, imagine there's a borehole here. Hey. Wow.
This place you can chill. You can chill out.
This is a porch.
These are porch.
Wow guys, and then you build a nice pier.
Yes.
Hey.
Top mason.
Top muscle.
Yes, you can see and here.
Another pier.
Yes. And there's something like a place like this, so you can chill with a friend here. Yes, cheer down. Because it's a good place to chill.
Okay.
Yes, and you can create here a small house. It's not now, but
Okay, utatengeneza nini? You can build a staircase going on
yes,
the top.
I can building, but
Outside.
I can create for outside here
Yes.
to make sure you can go up there.
Okay.
Yeah, but here we go to cover with a small single room.
Small?
A small one room like
Room. Ju.
here for this place.
Okay.
For this place with
Utajenga hapo?
yes, like can be like a small
I don't know.
outside kitchen.
You just left the way they are like that.
No,
It's according to your plan.
Yes, because it's going up there.
Mhm.
Here you can build maybe or here with a friend. You can build there
Out,
small room.
outside kitchen,
Get
guys.
service, yes. And, you know this pot
Also
start
be.
from there up at the kitchen section there. So
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Well, guys, welcome to Colorado House. So actually, I want to give you a quick tour.
Yeah.
And this house is 4 bedroom, 5 bedroom,
This is a 3-bedroom.
3 bedroom,
Yes, it's
and it's so big.
it's a 3-bedroom because this is a living room.
Mm-hmm.
You have a living room, dining.
Imagine, guys, and for me, I want to build my mom's 3 bedroom.
It's a 3-bedroom this house.
And we use how many bricks or blocks to build a house?
This is going a lot because I think now it's going to be like 5,000.
5,000?
Yeah,
Or is
5,000.
because you put your house to be high?
No, because it's a have a Anam, it's going to be 5,000.
No, apart from the Anam, the only bricks that we build
the
up to
house.
rental.
Yes.
2,000?
Is where?
From the foundation mpaka penye ifika kwenye rental hivi. Yanaweza fika 2,000. Uachane na Anam.
Yeah.
Hey.
This is going to be like 4,000.
Okay, because you use a small metal blocks. If you use bigger
This
one,
is a big, you know, this big because a lot of like Mayuguno use this to make a bricks, you know. This because you maybe you are mason who make for you. Is, for one bag is make like who told me
25.
25. But for me here I have 32. You see different. It's different, but this going go is a good. But like you want, if you want a big one, you can use the big one. If you want a small one like this.
Okay, Nikobuda. So this is a living room,
Yes.
dining hall,
Yeah.
here,
This is a dining room.
and automatically there you can place your TV.
Yes.
So
Your TV is going to be there.
Mhm.
And here you can put good furniture and everything that you want. And here you can put when you need to get yourself like food, you can stay here. And, every medical
So this is kitchen.
Yeah.
This store,
Production of food is coming from here. This is a kitchen.
and this is a store.
This is a store. And already our students are making, and already we start to keep something like a wheelbarrow. See here, water, everything. So, yes.
Hey, congratulations! You're working so hard.
You know me, the people told me that
You're
I'm
building-
building outside store.
Hey.
But I say
No. For example,
Yeah.
if you're having like mama happened to cut thumbnail. Something like this. Like if you're having maybe you want to store there maybe maize, beans, you can store inside here.
yes. This you can install, and you can install a lot of things that's like flour, charcoal, so on, everything.
Inside here.
Yeah, you can take from here, maybe it's, Irish potato can put here. So you take from here to kitchen
Here.
direct,
Imagine.
and you after kitchen product you can put on dining.
Imagine, guys. So
Yeah.
this is kitchen. So let me. Okay.
Yeah.
Next.
So next is the bedroom. That's start from here. So
This is visitor bedroom or a master bedroom?
this no, this single bedroom, maybe for visitor, baby,
Oh, guys.
also friend.
Mhm.
Yes, using this room for sleeping and everything. So because this is our first bedroom, second bedroom is this. So we have
Also for visitor.
yeah, this maybe a crate for my baby.
Okay.
Because you need to create one to be for baby. You can put a baby of baby like here. You can put yes, you can create
Yes.
it for
Okay,
baby.
this is for your family, maybe like baby,
Yes.
and also this is for visitor.
Yeah.
Like for your baby want to visit you, I
Yeah,
can
the-
sleep here,
Yeah,
guys.
sleep over. So and we have here we have two
Okay, toilet, bathroom and
But
toilet.
yes, this is for public.
Yeah,
Yes,
so
because
this one, your kids can share this one.
Yeah,
The visitor can share this one.
Yes.
And also you.
Yes. My room is that from here.
Yeah.
That's the
I know.
yeah. Master bedroom.
Yes.
So you have a toilet here for master bedroom, and also this master bedroom.
Master bedroom.
Yes. Master bedroom.
My friend, you build a big window. Look, guys. Imagine that's a
That's
window.
a window because the tall, but here
Mhm.
we make like a 2.5. I think this are going 2.5 foot for down here. They have here. This window is now greater and they have a porch. This is another porch.
Another porch.
Yes, like I told you that we have a lot of porch. That's it.
So inside there you can put some
Yes.
flowers outside.
Yes, you can put outside the
Yes,
flower.
over here, guys.
Yeah.
Around here.
Yes, something like this, Albert.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, you must be very, very careful with this one. Wee, oh, you do like this.
Yeah.
Oh, guys. So that is brief tour for Nikobuda's house for the first time. You know, since you start building
Yeah.
from foundation, me, I haven't come here.
Yes,
Maybe
I know,
making
I know.
videos and all stuff. Maybe, guys, we learn something from each other.
Yeah.
Maybe today or tomorrow I can build, and then it's good to know maybe the plan of the house.
Yes, it's good to know. You know like me here, I found my plan. You know that everything you see here, I followed my plan. Yes, if they say that here you have an anam, so you can put an anam. Yes, behind of the house, front and
Hey, yeah, and the roofing is going higher, guys. Look. Oh. Right, guys. Okay, Nikobuda, thank you.
yeah.
Well, guys, so in case you meet these videos, subscribe, show love to Nikobuda, guys. So right now I'm heading. I can't pass there. No. Hapa says it up. They are dropping the timber, so they want maybe to knock. They want to knock my head, bro. Hata mimi niende basi.
Haya, sawa.
Hi. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Very, very special, and give these videos a like, comment, and also share. Yani hayo hakiharo te momontoro bao. Umachana rawate me koroto tukule. I swear. Medai. Oh, guys. So Nikobuda, I wanna say goodbye.
Yeah, guys.
You're having plumbing knob
Yeah,
for measuring.
this is a formation. So guys, thank you, and our baby, thank you for visiting. And I know that we shall meet. Again. And guys, when you the first, remember to subscribe. Push your baby to 6,000 subscribe. Yes, and don't forget we are here, Colorado.
Colorado side.
Colorado side. Yes, guys, this is our branch.
Colorado. This is Colorado house or site.
This is our Colorado.
You want to join the job?
Yes, I want to. No. When the masons come, me I don't join. When I be myself, I can do, because here maybe mason can need something like a material. Here,
You run.
water. Maybe I don't mix my cement here, and I don't manage. But when the mason not around, I do myself, because there I do myself to make this small one like you see here.
Okay. Nikobuda, come and hold for me a camera. I want to push this sweetie bar. Hey, mnaweka. Nikusaidia kusukuma. Haya.
Hey. Here. Our babe.
Marado.
It's hard.
There is wrong.
Yeah, just try. Here you can pass.
Yeah, no.
You have a small drainage.
Small bridge.
Yeah. This is a small bridge. You can cross with a wheel. On. Yeah.
So the mason are over there. They want to build that gable. You see the mason over there? Wow, Nico Buddha.
Yeah.
Nice time.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Okay, bro. Okay, my brother. Well, guys, so you have some bricks here. Also, you can mix with blocks. I wanna say goodbye. This place. Whew. You know, guys, when finding Roma, maybe dancing, praying, do so. Do what Roma is doing. Wow. You see African dog? Look. So this is a finger millet here. Over here. Over here. Finger millet going up to that way. Man, it's so big. Finger millet plantation. Wow. So guys, and actually that being said earlier, today is a Sunday vibe. You can see how village house looks like, man. Wow. And it's all cemented outside. African cow. It's grazing there. Wow. And we're just moving out. So guys, you mean a lot for me. Oh, there's my outfit for today. Wow. Right, so let's go. And guys, if you know, guess where I'm heading to. Today I'm trying to change the location. I twist the location, and maybe for the first time watching these videos on my vlog, show Nico Buddha some love, subscribe, guys. The reason why we as one team is, maybe for example, when I do something different, other people can learn from me, and maybe other people done something different, I can learn from them. Because the reason being, I go around literally for those people who are building. I want to learn something else. Construction is not hard. It's not easy. It's construction need a lot of hard working. So construction is so tough, and I'm supposed to learn one after other. Maybe like you can see how I build the toilet, Marab, and you can see how I build my toilet. One day I visited Nasto. If you remember Nasto, I visited them for several times, and technically I asked one day Nasto, how much cost to build this toilet from foundation up to kids are going to church? How much need, for example, as me to build the toilet from foundation, purchasing steel bar and all stuff? Nasto told me, you wanna have like 30,000, maybe in terms of purchasing maybe steel bar and then put concrete. I said all right, and I try one more. Man, steel bar, it's so hectic, and also need stones. When I put some concrete slab, I pause. Wow. Right, so I'm heading this way, guys, and then those most of the people are going to church. going to church right now. Wow, you can see how people putting some special gates over there. Wow. So guys, direct to the point. And when I'm trying to build my toilet, man, I use a lot of money, a lot of materials, and all stuff. Up now, I said, God is good, and then I pause. You know what? I pause. So I was been here for several times. Maybe I can pass this way or use this route. Let's try this one. Yeah. So the good thing about in our village here, you can pass maybe to people's land, and also this is a shortcut. I want to go to other side, and then I pass through the slaughterhouse, and also I passed to my uncle's place or to Dave Junior's place where he bought oh, this place have been closed. Sorry for that. I'm telling you guys, I was totally lost because I was passing here and then passing up that way, but for now they have been closed. Avocado trees over here. Wow, let's see. You know, some people maybe guys need privacy, like back here as I was passing here as a shortcut, but right now I can go this way round. Maybe I'll try my best to look other way. Yeah, I'm going to pass to there's nature grass over there. People can harvest sun alongside the road. You know? Wow. So this is how things they are here. I'm trying my best. See, people are going to chat. Serious. These are Tanzanian vehicles. You can see over there. So the good thing is Tanzanian vehicle. And guys, the good thing is we are friendly to actually our neighboring country, which is Tanzania. So we just friendly. We share goods, we purchase goods from there. They came in Kenya purchasing good also. Wow. So I'm trying to look the place where I can pass. I'm going to other side. Whew. Today's today. Or am I lost here? Or is this? This road I've been passing here. I swear. Let me guess this road. Let me guess this road here. Yeah, I think so. This can work for now, guys. You can see how it can work, guys. So let me pass this way. Avocado trees that I said earlier, and in our village here, farming is our backbone, man. Trust me, 100%. You see how my entire village have been developed, guys. Amazing. So guys, and there's a time I was passing here, and then I purchased some blocks over here within this place here, if I'm not wrong. Let me show you. Yeah, I purchased some blocks here, that one over there. So that's the reason why I say they must pass this route here, guys. So stay tuned. We shall meet for the next videos. and it depends where I'm heading to. Well guys, I'm keep going this way. So that being said earlier, I want to take you where Nyabuhansi slaughterhouse is, and where the cow are being slaughtered to get meat. Yeah, it's just over here. I'm telling you, this is a slaughterhouse over here. Let me show you maybe a little bit. You see the dog they're eating bones over there. Look. Look at that dog. So these are slaughterhouse, guys. You see? Here. You have so many dogs here around. Loitering, looks for the bones and all stuff. Do you know what I mean, guys? You can see around here. So this way actually in Nyabuhansi people slaughter the cow and sell to us, like that's over there. So on the way I wanna pass here, and then I'll take you to the Junior's place and see how that house is doing. And this is tobacco. We call it tobacco. This tobacco plantation here. You can see, guys. Let me show you this tobacco. Wow. So in our village here, there is maybe types of maybe plantation you can plant. You can plant maize, sorghum, sweet potatoes, but I didn't see Irish potatoes done in our region here, especially in Korea. You know what, guys? I'm a Korean, and since I was born, I haven't seen Irish potatoes doing here. The only thing that is doing here perfect is tobacco, sorghum, finger millet, rice, no rice, not yet, yams, cassava, maize, beans, soya beans, those stuff. But maybe things like rice and Irish potatoes I haven't seen. Maybe in the next maybe places like this are finger millet here. Oh, guys. Wow, guys, just continue with our journey for today. So I'm trying to take you around here. This congrats mom's finger millet also. I'm telling you, over here, that's congrats mom finger millet. And this also we call it the nature grass. Wow, this place have been closed, but I'll take you to other side. Maybe we have the main gate, because this is where they've been about this land and this house going up that way, with this only house here. So we tried to close this place because many intruders try to pass here, and this is a house for the owner, so we need our privacy. Let's take you around. Let's take you around. I'm gonna take you around to this side. There is a gate. Maybe it's closed or not yet, but right now we need privacy here. Let's see whether it have been closed. They have been. Yeah. So when you are inside, you can close. Wow. So they plant cowpeas, onions. All right. Oh man, this place. And the good thing about village land, it's purely fertile, and you can find everything's available here. Like we have papaya. Imagine, guys, this papaya trees. You can see, and it have some fruits. There's papaya, and they try to plant some cowpeas here. You can see. Wow. Oh, you have the mango tree. This mango tree here. Oh, look. This is papaya, guys. You see? Also, we have the groundnut. Oh man, avocado trees. You know. So yeah, guys, that is it. That is it here. We have some flowers, and actually, this is our neighbor over here. So this is the house which have been bought, and maybe in future the owner of this place, they can use this house maybe as a store, put some maybe material and all stuff inside here, mason and sleeping there, you know what I mean, and so on. So like these avocado trees here, we have pear trees, pear, we call pears over here. You can see everything, and we have the sitting bench here. You wanna sit and have some special street talk. Then guys, you know, when the June is not around, for me I just visit for his construction site, like here, you know. So maybe he was somewhere else, maybe he was in Philippines and he was watching these videos. He wanna see the properties, how it is. Nothing changed here, nothing destroyed here, so everything is good. The way he left here, things they are the way they are, you know. So like I want to take one day to go to Nyabuhanse site, and also you have another big project at Nyabuhanse there. So if you try to remember, there is we are working there, and we try to slash that place. So I'm planning one of this day, maybe during November, the middle of November, I'll take people there to slash and making cleanness, thorough cleanness there. So that is it. I hope he will watch these videos, and he will see how the properties is. If you are from abroad, don't worry, everything is okay. Yeah, we make sure that everything is okay here. Nothing go wrong, man. You can see this banana for cooking only, and we have for ripening one, but we didn't see. And that being said earlier, you see guys, we have some guava trees here, man. That is it. We have yam here, we have managu. This is managu, man. Wow. So alright guys, so keep it locked, more amazing videos coming. And in case you meet these videos, show me some love guys. Love is for free. And don't forget, I haven't finished my project, especially on my big project, which is my modern toilet. So I'm supposed to fix the tiles guys. If you want to support guys, and love is for free, you know. If you wish to support guys, and I need your full support, man, so to push that toilet and to finish up and to see what is going on. And I know for the haters, don't like, but like yesterday I fixed the tank and I haven't managed to finish because we're remaining with some, we're calling elbow for joining the pipe like this, you know what I mean. So when I get to like, I'm missing 5 elbow for joining the pipe, and I thank God yesterday we doesn't have a lot of rain here. So when I fixed, maybe it wanna end, it wanna be maybe raining, and then the tank will be full of water. So guys, stay tuned, watch my videos. If you miss to watch today's videos, go and watch my recent videos are there, and drop this comment guys. But thank you so much. We shall see you for the next videos, but I will join on today's videos guys. I love you. Stay tuned guys.
Itu kumbe ni ndio. Unaona vile kaka. Hata sitarahika. Sitarahika. Hata kutarahika na kitu kinani huko. Kama bado yonko vile. Na yahika murangu ikore kirenge hayo hata birora gote bire mekanda. Kama hande ke ngombe mekaba ne mekanda kama gani. Nena yo. Yongera hatu kure kore.
Malaika baba. Malaika. 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 Malaika.
Sayang bakoro.
Apa kora kayak apa? Ano kok kotan ba kitchen there? Iya.
Natara to ba ko temete. Ah.
Kukurukum.
Parang sio rahisi ya kupiga teke.
Sio rahisi.
Ah. Right. 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 Asa nataka nigeuze.
Well guys, so it's amazing day. So we just poured water with Mr. Gake into the incubator, and then we're going to maintaining for the horses guys. And I think the fishes can look. What? Look. Wow. So I want to take you around and see what is happening. And if you want to pump water guys, there's no need maybe to join the pipe, so the pipe remaining here daily and so on. And actually guys, I'm going to check the puppy. You know the puppy? Oh guys, I'm heading this way. You can see the fish pond, and actually guys, I'm going to check the puppy right now. You know, it's good. Me, I love the puppy, man, because they're like, whoa. I'm going to check the puppy right now. Here, and then after that, man, since we plant the tomatoes, maybe I went there for the maybe for the second time. Come. Puppy, you have to puppy. Knee down, lay down. Puppy, and also you, puppy. Yes, they're feeling good. Wow, come. They're coming so big, man. This is like Mbosiambo. You want to say hello? No. Look, they're chilling here. Wow, guys. You think? You want to say hello? Wow. Yeah, they're relaxing. Puppy. This one you can touch, guys. Puppy. I love you. Puppy. But that one you can't touch, guys. You know? So they're relaxing here. And I'm heading this way. I want to go and check the tomatoes which you plant with Mr. Gaki. Hey, you want to walk? Just come. Go there. Go to your house. Go. So I don't want maybe the dog to follow me, because when it's follow you, sometimes people might stone your dog. You see the pipe? So you want to connect water to other side. You can connect. Well, guys, you have some beautiful shade here. And the guys, I'm going to check the tomatoes to see how it's doing. You know how it's doing. Wow. Let's go. Guys, everything's mine, you know, and we're fantastic here. So wow, I'll come and show how my life has been created there. So let's go. Wow, beautiful trees. Hey, man, everything is super good here, and super good, and technically everything's green. The compound is clean. We make sure that everything look nice, you know, make sure that everything look nice. Yep, that is the best way you can maintaining hygiene, guys. Wow. So let's check up. From the far end, I see the tomatoes growing like crazy, man. Imagine, it's growing like crazy. I'm telling you. Wow, guys. And in case you are new to this vlog, kindly guys subscribe, and I need your support by watching my videos. Don't skip ads, and we flow with the positive vibe. And actually, guys, imagine the river is here, over here, and then we harvest sand there. Look, this whole sand you see here, we harvest from there. Wow. And technically, guys, we appreciate it. So you know, life in Africa, maybe it's different rather than maybe the place you are. And I know most of the countries, maybe things change, life change. And here, imagine you have free water, you have free sand, and in terms of maybe in building, the only thing that you need to purchase maybe it's sand, it's stones, and also cement and rubbery money. But like, I'm concerned for those people staying near the river, like this one here. You can see water is flowing. You can connect the pipe from there jumping on the other side, and then, man, you build your own house. Imagine, for a few months you have already finished everything. Oh, this is where we stock the manure, and we decompose manure here, and maybe we'll scoop from here, taking to the shamba, maybe to the maize, and it's doing good, perfect one. When in terms of going to purchase manure or fertilizer, you just come direct on this, and then you will enjoy it. Wow. So technically, let me take you the kitchen garden right now to see how things have been changing here. Oh, my shoes remaining back. Whew. Oh my god. Yeah, I see there is another veggies here. Actually, this one, the veggies all around here we called nsaga. when you mix with milk, man, it tastes so sweet. Trust me, it tastes so sweet, guys. Look, you see how the case have been changed? Look like they have like broad leaves, man. Look, wow. So today it's a blessed Sunday, and imagine we have kales here, we have everything here, and we try to the bananas there. Wow, this is Villa Menjelin kitchen garden here, guys. For the first time, maybe when you pay a visitor, this Villa Menjelin kitchen garden, guys. Are you ready for this? I normally say, are you ready for this? So I'm meaning, are you ready to watch these videos? And guys, man, every day when I'm wake up in the morning, I'm smiling, and I think there's the month of November, which are heading too soon. I think the middle there I want to have my own router or my own Wi-Fi, because sometime, man, like yesterday I upload videos so late, and you know, in terms of power, I was uploading the Buhanse there, and then I went, the M-Pesa shop were being closed. I struggling like from, let me say, from 8 p.m. up to 9:30 p.m. I haven't uploaded the videos, so the videos play randomly around 10:40 p.m. I remember on that. It's because of the Wi-Fi, and I must have my own router in my house, because I should purchase a small solar and a battery for only control the router only. So I want maybe 24 hours is to upload my videos, to learn new things on maybe on social medias, and you know, that's the best way I can improve myself. And this way we train the horses, or during when you spray washing the horses, it's inside here, inside, you know. Guys, I'm the good son for my mom and dad outside there. So I know for the haters, they try to pull me down, but I stand strong. I stand on one side. That being said, I stand only positive side, and then I mind my own thing, man, you know. So like, man, me, when I get the money, I just put on construction, I just put on project. You have been there watching my videos. Maybe if you're new on today's vlog, you can go and peruse my videos and watch, and you see what I'm doing. For example, I normally use this example. Like for example, I want to send this, for example, people send for me this, oh hello baby, I want to add you another jacket, for example, or this bangle here. I'll go, and then guys, I make an evidence. I mean that I make a videos. I went to the shop, I make a videos, you see the price and the things that you want, I show you guys. I don't know why people start blaming me, putting some lies, and I know right now, guys, 100% my village is pure, totally toxic, because people spread lies, and we didn't understand people, because we are here as brother and sister to make sure that everybody is improving in terms of future life. But for example, today, hello baby, I lose, tomorrow I win. Things change, man, in other condition. Like today I lose, tomorrow I win. Today I win, tomorrow I lose. Things alternate. And then when people see that you try to make something which are very important in your life, they try to pull you down and say, oh, about maybe in negative way, try to create dramas. But we don't care, as long as I'm alive and I know what I'm doing, man, I'm ready to go. But I promise you, maybe next year, the end of December, I want to prepare early passport so I can maybe travel East Africa, and then guys, maybe I can change the location and narrative and also the views, and then man, I will come back home. So east to west, home is the best. But today the main key point is to go and check the tomatoes we plant with Mr. Gake over there. And when I'm standing here, man, the tomatoes, it's growing so big, man, like crazy. Guys, once more, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? It's time to go and see what we plant. And we need, maybe in some few months, we need to have like some commodities like tomatoes, maize, yams around on this compound here. So we don't want to struggle maybe every day going to purchase tomatoes, and we have free land, free fertile land, so you can plant anything that you wish. Maybe it can support in other way. So let's see. That is it, guys. And drop the sweet comment on the comment section, guys. I see the maize, the tomatoes is doing good. Look, man, last time when I was here it was too small. Like right now, look, these tomatoes, look, from down here coming this way up to here. So the only thing that it's remaining here is to shading of flowers, and then you see some fruit, guys. Look, and already it's done. It's already done the first process of shading flowers, guys. Look, there's flowers over there. Wow. And it's good, guys. It's growing big, man. Look, the whole branch of tomatoes, guys. You see, that is tomatoes. And I want to say thank you so much. Thank you so much. And may God bless for those people watching my videos abundantly. And also, I love you, man. I love you because you mean a lot for me. You mean a lot for me. I can't take things for granted. I appreciate for all love that you show me since I was struggling in my life up to now, guys. So these are papaya, and I have some veggies inside here. You have some kales, and also the funny thing about the sunflower is when the sun goes this way, it's face. When the sun is coming from this way, it's face. Look at this. I'm telling you, it's a sunflower. So because the sun is going this way, it will start facing. Look, you see, that's a beautiful sunflower, guys, from East Africa, Kenya, guys. Beautiful sunflowers, you see. All right, you have some banana trees or plantation around. Wow, let's move on and see what is going. Oh. Oh. Wow, we have another coming veggies here that have been said earlier. We called saga. When we mix with milk, man, ooh, you can't imagine. When you mix with milk, we can't imagine, guys. Oh, and then I want to check the plant which you planted over there. Actually, some fruits. Guys, in future, let me say less than 1 year ahead of us, we need to have like 2 years ahead of us, we need to have plenty of fruits inside here. I used the wrong side. or a long walkway, because this place it's full of water when it's raining season. So here you must be very careful while walking. Look, this is yam. I'm telling you, yam, guys. And I have more of them around. Oh, I'm gonna jump from there. And technically, if you remember, we tried to expand this place because horses are disturbing the fruits here, like papaya. So right now it's okay, and it's doing good. Oh, they've already planted some veggies here. We called in swega. Look at this. Look. Oh, that's swega. Hey man, I'm telling you, what a joke. This security light here, and I thank God. Right now this compound it's full of light inside here. You know, God is good all the time, man. You see, so there's some fruits. We have lanquet trees, we have mangoes trees, we have orange and all stuff, you know. Wow. And guys, maybe by Monday or Tuesday I will finish, maybe finishing piping on my project, guys. Wow. Oh guys, so this is where we feed the horses inside here, and wow, it's amazing, man. Well, so man, every single minute we say, God thank you for the gift of life. God thank you for maybe changing people's life. God thank you for everything that are in this world. Wow. So guys, I want to end my video here by saying, guys, bye bye. We shall meet for the next videos, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye.